In this video, we will be covering how to delete user cards on Akuvox devices. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. First, we will delete a user card. Please swipe the user card on the device's card reader area. You will hear the prompt saying, "Select mode." Next, press the call button to enter Add mode. Press it again to enter Delete mode. Then, swipe the user card. The trash sound indicates the card has been deleted. Next, we will delete all user cards. Please swipe the user card on the device's card reader area, then press and hold the call button. You will hear the prompt asking if you would like to delete all. Then, swipe the user card. The trash sound indicates the card has been deleted. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.